Hello, I'm Shari. Welcome to my channel. Today I just have a unboxing and a reading. So today is April 27th. Purity. April 27th. Today I understand that I was born deeply dependent. It is no wonder that it was so terrifying when I stopped being able to rely on my parents. I was so completely vulnerable and needy. Where were you when I needed you? Is the cry of my inner child. I have taken some of this cry with me into adulthood as a feeling that no one can really understand me or my pain. But as I look back, it seems so obvious and uncomplicated. Of course, I felt bereft and desperate. Who wouldn't? It is the wall that I have built around those feelings that is so complicated and hard to dismantle. It is made of self-delusion, unspoken grief, resentment, and fear. It is when I can take down my own wall, return to my former innocent state, and feel what that child felt, that I can find myself and my higher power. I can face the full extent of my pain. Unless you become like a child, you cannot enter the kingdom of heaven. Matthew 18:3. Unless you become like a child, you cannot enter the kingdom of heaven. Matthew 18:3. So that is the reading for April 27th. Right here. That was a really good one. Purity. Well, see, I always depended on my parents, and growing up, they were always there for me. And after I lost my dad, and after I lost my mom, I felt abandoned. I felt like an orphan. I felt like I was lost. I did put up a very big wall, and it wasn't until I started speaking about my grief that I started letting that wall down, and I started opening up and started living again, and hoping for better days and looking forward to the next day. I went through a period where I just wanted to die every single day, you know. I would wake up and I'd be like, you know, why am I still here? And I would cry every day, all day, throughout the day. And yeah, speaking about hurt and pain and grief and abandonment, whatever issues you have, speaking about it, it helps, because you let that out little by little. And if you don't let that out little by little, it's going to bottle up and it's going to eat you alive, and it's going to affect everything. Alexa, stop! So yeah, that is that for that. Just talk about things. To a therapist, a counselor, someone you trust. You could even journal it, you know, talk to yourself about it. My dad used to always say, it's okay to talk to yourself, you know, just as long as you don't start answering yourself. Alright, so let's get to the box. Ipsy. I'm just going to do a quick one. Let me open this. I actually didn't open this one. So we got Discover Yourself. Discover Yourself. I got this little paper. It says full bloom. Hashtag Ipsy full bloom. The inside says why everything is coming up rosehip oil. Whatever. Doesn't have anything about the products in there, but there's what it says about the rosehip oil. This is the regular glam bag. And first off, I see these masks. I have two masks. I have JG Essential Calming Mask. J. June Cosmetics, and then I have a essential brightening mask. So calming and brightening. I love a good mask. Oh, I'm happy I got that. Ooh, I got a brush from Shayna B, Miami. And I actually just got that palette from Shayna B, Miami. Look at that. Looks like a really nice brush too, hey? It says it's a blush brush. Blush brush. I would use it for blush or whatever. Could use it for powder, wipe your powder off. And use these brushes for whatever you want. It's really soft. Yeah, super soft. So I got a brush, 2 masks. Ooh, I love this. I used one of these. I think I got in boxycharm. It's a Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser, and you can use it every day. And I loved it, so I'm happy I got it again. Then we have another cute little bag with this little wooden thing on it. Super cute. I got Estate Do Me Baked Highlight Powder. So it's a highlight powder. Like a little baked highlighter. Whoa. That is really, 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 really bright. I like that. That is a keeper. I like that. And then Nomad Toscana Intense Eyeshadow. That's pretty. I think I have one of these, so I'll probably pass this along. It's really pretty. And then last but not least, I got Sugar Wingman Waterproof Micro Liner in I'll Be Black. So I'll probably pass this along to future giveaway or something. So yeah, that is it. That's how the bag looks. It's really cute. This little stuff back in this bag. So yeah, good little. How much did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I actually got 3 products in there. I got that brush. I got this cleanser. I got extra product. So that's cool. Whether or not they meant to send it to me. Yeah, I'm really happy for that. I just wonder why they sent it in such a big box. So yeah, that is it for that unboxing. I gotta give my Yaya a nap. Just want to check in real quick. Holy man, that highlighter though. Does it? Yeah, I like it. So yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna get going. Just wanted to do a quick one. You guys have a blessed rest of your day wherever you are, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for coming and supporting. Bye.